Hello, welcome to my channel Kids Growth. Let us know about the national symbol of India. In short, national symbols introduce all of us to the national identity element of country. These symbols are reflection of Indian identity, its heritage and peoples of all demographics background across the country. National symbols infuse a sense of pride and patriotism in every Indians. The official name of our country is Republic of India. Next we know about national flag. Tiranga, a horizontal rectangular in ratio of 3:2 tricolor with equally sized deep saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. In the center is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes known as the Ashok Chakra. We know about national emblem and national motto. National emblem, lion capital of Ashoka. An adaptation of lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. National motto, Satyamev Jayate. The motto inscribed is in Devanagari script, Satyamev Jayate, a quote taken from Mundaka Upanishad, concluding parts of the secret Hindu Vedas. Next we know about national anthem. Jana Gana Man. Jana Gana Man is the national anthem of India. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The first stanza of the song Bharto Bhagya Vidhata was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India as the national anthem on 24th January 1950. Next we know about national song. Bande Mataram. Bande Mataram is a Sanskrit poem written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, which he included in his 1882 Bengali novel Anand Mat. The first two verses of the song were adopted as the national song of India on 24 January 1950 by the Constituent Assembly of India. Next we know about national animal. Tiger. The tiger species has a subspecies called Bengal tiger. It is a form of specific population of the subspecies that is native to the Indian subcontinent. Next we know about national heritage animal. Indian elephant. Indian elephant is the national heritage animal of India since 22 October 2010. India's Environment Ministry has declared the elephant as a national heritage animal in order to increase protective measure for elephants. Next we know about national aquatic animal. Ganga river dolphin. River dolphin found in the region of Indian subcontinent, which is split into two subspecies, the Ganga river dolphin and the Indus, primarily found in the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries. The Ganga river dolphin has been recognized by the Government of India as its national aquatic animal. Next we know about national flower. Lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower immemorial and occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India and has been an auspicious symbol of Indian culture since time. Next we know about national tree. Indian banyan tree. Indian banyan roots themselves to form new trees and grow over large area. Because of this characteristic and its longevity, this tree is considered immortal and is an integral part of the myth and legend of India. Next, we know about national bird, Indian peacock. Indian peacock is designated as the national bird of India. The peacock represents the unity of vivid colors and finds reference in Indian culture. On 1st February 1963, the Government of India had decided to have the peacock as the national bird of India. Next, we know about national river, the Ganga. The Ganga is a lifeline of millions who live along its course. It is a sacred river and worshipped as the goddess Ganga in Hinduism. It has been important historically. Next, we know about national fruit, mango. Mango originated in India and the country is home to more than 100 varieties of the fruit. Mango is referred to as the king of fruits. Next, we know about national reptile, king cobra. King cobra is the national reptile of India. It is considered a sacred animal in Indian culture. Next, we know about national calendar, Indian national calendar. The Indian national calendar, sometimes called the Sak calendar, it is used alongside the Gregorian calendar by the Gazette of India in news broadcasts by All India Radio and in calendars and communication issued by the Government of India. Next, we know about national currency, Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the official currency of India. The issuance of the currency controlled by the RBI. The Indian rupee symbol is derived from the Devanagari consonant R and the Latin letter R was adopted in 2010. According to Uday Kumar, its designer, the design is based on the Indian tricolor. Next, we know about national days. There are 3 national days. First, Independence Day. Our India became independent on 15th August 1947 from the British Empire. Second, Republic Day on 26th January, Republic Day, adoption of the Constitution of India in 1950. Third, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, birth anniversary of the father of the nation. Next, we know about national pledge. It was written in Telugu by Paidimari Venkat Subba Rao in 1962. This practice to be introduced by 26th January 1965. It is recited at public events, especially in school prayers and during the Independence Day and Republic Day celebration. If you like this video, do like, comment and share the video and also subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.